was up under the dock in front of me. Oh, that's a decent one. That's a largemouth too. That's a decent one. Not bad at all. Come here. Hey. Yeah. I just tied that worm on too. If you don't hit one shortly, I'm gonna switch you over to this bait I just tied on because I think it's money. Only thing I don't like about these fucking pants. Pockets. Oh, sorry. That's what you said. Sorry, censored content. Hello. Good morning from the incredible Lake Gaston, Bracey, Virginia. And we got bass under docks. That dock right there had one for me. Hey Adam, where is he? There he is. What up, dude? Oh man, we on one. That's two. Bingo. Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
Yes, 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 yes.